Greetings everybody, welcome to the new episode. So this is the other day now. So we planted out the pak chai, the cabbage and one row of carrots. So this is the other day, we're checking up on them right now. Don't know they're right at the tomato. And above the tomato here we have the pak chais that we planted out. This one looking good. So we have some pak chai, we do the carrots up here, but as you can see, them never make it right. Them never make it. And we have more pak chai, go straight ahead. So this is the update on the pak chai. Them catch, green, still alive. I will do one row of the cabbage. The cabbage look like insects got to them, so we just take out some of the big cabbage and try plant them out and see how that go. And I have my wife up here and little one. She's helping with the watering today because she loves exercise and she loves veggies. So she'll get the workout, you know. And these are the lettuce. So the lettuce them are look good, still green, not withered. 130 odd lettuce. And we have the popcorn growing here. Oh, the popcorn growing nice and strong. So we have popcorn. We left the rest of the carrots right here because we realized carrots is a plant you should just sow into the ground where it is going to grow and not to transplant it. So for right now we just leave the carrots right there and see how that go. And this is the cucumber that was here, so you can see insects deal with them. And this is the rest of the cabbage. Insects are deal with them, man. So, and we have the basil over that side. And we left some of the basil here. These are the peanuts, growing nice and strong. And look at these garlics, man. My wife look at them and say, scallion this? Look like scallion, but it's garlic, people. Cut them nice and big, man. You can even cut off the top and eat and cook it like scallion. And it flavor the pot very nicely. Yeah, man. And see, we have some basil right here. The basil them growing nice and strong. Yeah, man, Jano. So we can start pick the basil and cook with them now. So yeah, I'm going to the update, you know. We just check on the strawberries real quick, so we can just help my wife with the rest of the watering. Strawberries are looking very luscious. Look here, man. See some strawberries under here growing. I just put it right here on the nice. I see the next couple more over this side. Beautiful. Alright, this is where we picked the other two strawberries the other day. Checking for new growth and see what's happening there. Whoa! Look here, people. We have a beautiful strawberry right here. A couple more coming. One more flowering. I don't have this ready to pick. Man, looking very luscious. feel soft. Guess we can pick that on the way out. Checking on these strawberries up here. More flowering, so make sure under the strawberries protected from the elements. Alright, so we have strawberries coming again. This one looking very nice as well. Huh? A little flower in the middle right there, if you can see. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright. So that's the update right now. And you see how the place will take time weed out, liquor by liquor. So I'm gonna help my wife right now and help her water the things. So I'm putting up on a tripod so we can get a time lapse. Alright, so talk to you soon again. Alright, we finished water the seed bed. Coming down to the section we planted the pak chai and cabbage. So yeah. Goodbye, little. Alright, everybody, we watered the pak chai, the cabbage and the carrot. So moving on to the tomatoes. Everybody water that now, so the strawberry moving on to now. This is the red strawberry water, so. As you can see, my wife is a strong woman.
Hey, no bother with you, no bother with you. The one now, babe, too.
Yeah. Strawberry. They want come nice one. Careful. Yeah, step in at the bed, man.
No, step on you. Listen.
Yeah, man. We got strawberries on its way. Can pick that tomorrow. I don't want it today.
No, man. We're finished. Time to go home. Yay! Just like the water.
Yeah. I just the cane left on the mint tree. One of the plant up on the plant over there.
Yeah, man. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
I water them cane.
You want to hold the camera for you?
Alright. Alright, so you plant a mint tree or so. Make sure it's a good mint. Good morning. See them have green lights and all them.
I'll hide a selfie with the camera. That's the upgrade for the farm. Water everything. Yeah. I'll give thanks. One more beautiful day. And now, the day done here now. As you can see the sky them dark.
We love water in the evening from what they cool and nice, no hot sun. So yeah. So see you guys tomorrow. Blessings and thanks for watching One Perfect Love. Say right, you tell them boy.
Ta-ta! 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 Ta-ta!
Alright, so I seal it up on that. Tata, blessings.